Hey guys, we're here in sunny Leduc. We got the toys out. We also have Carolyn out too. Smell, Carolyn!
Hello!
Hello! We got the kayaks out. We got the Subi out. We got all the toys. And we are gonna go check out this wonderful Telford Lake in Leduc. What a wonderful way to have fun in Alberta. So as Carolyn's undoing the trailer, we get to have a quick peek around Telford Lake. So that's downtown Leduc. And we're gonna go exploring by water. We're gonna go check out the docks over there, see what's floating around there, check out the wildlife. We're gonna check out the kids, I suppose. Oh, it gets deep. And it's sort of clean actually. Not bad for a city lake. Isn't it great to have a super nice little car. Kids, birds, Leduc. Anyways, we're chasing 3 little ducks. Oh, and a stick.
He was a big for a muskrat, eh?
Yeah, like a cat.
Yeah.
Who knew Leduc had a nice little boardwalk? It's pretty cool. Still exploring. Adventuring in Alberta. Better catch up to my honey. She's hitching away pretty quickly. Oh, the local wildlife has just rolled by on their longboards. And we are gonna go and check out that raft, I think, out there shortly. But I better get going and see what that house is like and get caught up with Carolyn. Sneaking up on the Alberta red-winged blackbird. See how close we can get to him. Love those guys. Alright, we're sneaking up on some birds here. I hope it's not too windy, but we're gonna sneak up on these birds and give you guys a little bit of a... It's just like so many of them in one spot. Oh, they're starting to go. I gotta get caught up to Carolyn. She's doing it. A little windy, a little bouncy on the east side of the lake today. Oh, there they go. Oh, that's cool. I don't know. I saw that. You guys probably never. Let me get my favorite crows floating around. Dancing around. We made it, almost, to the other end of Telford Lake. Oh, I don't know if you can hear that. All the thousands of frogs frogging, croaking. It's really peaceful. Sans airplane.
Yeah.
And the frogs. I think my mom could tell you how many and what kind are in there. Oh well, east side of the lake is pretty. Where that duck was. See little blips. I'm gonna try to see one. There's one armed. Or I guess armed. Oh no, can't see him. frogs here. Oh, the nest is there too.
Where is it?
Right below it.
Right below.
So that's the great horned owl, mama, everybody's been talking about. I'm gonna circle around and see if I can get a better view. Okay, we figured it out. Looks like
So there's maybe
mama and nest are there. And then
There's an
over
owl in this big tree over there.
there is papa. Wow. Enough to make you dizzy as I run into a tree here.
Don't go too far away.
Oh, big guy. Big girl, I should say. Right
Little guy.
there.
Oh, there's something floating way up high there.
Sun is hiding behind that one cloud. Making it cool. Crunch.